In this clip, I'm going to show you how to create the second type of collection, which is called a smart collection. A smart collection automatically collects references to photos based on criteria that you specify. And it becomes a great way to view your photos later on as you build up a larger catalog. So I'm going to add this smart collection to my personal collection set, and I'm going to call it, I'm going to create a smart collection, and I'm going to call it Stadium Photos. And I'm going to use a keyword that I know I put in, and I could use contains stadium, which would get me all the photos that I just specified. The tricky thing about using contains is that if there are other keywords that have the word stadium in them, then they will automatically go into this collection. And that's not what I want. So to be more specific, I want to say contains all, and it'll only look for that word or whatever other words I put in here. So I could say stadium and Riverside, and it would only find photos that have both of those words, not those words embedded in others. So if I create the folder now, you can see it finds all those photos that I've previously imported, and they're ready to be used and worked with. Now the great thing is that later on, if I add more photos with Riverside and Stadium as keywords, then they will automatically go into this folder. In addition to that, I might say, you know what, these photos here are not the quality that I want. So I can decide that they're not good stadium photos. So I'm going to take that keyword off of them, and now they've automatically been removed from this collection set. And that's the way, with just a few photos in your catalog, this doesn't seem so powerful. But as your catalog grows and you add more to this, more photos to your catalog that maybe have other kinds of stadiums and so on in this example, then you'll see how useful this collection can become. In the next clip, I'll show you how to use what's called a target collection and also something called a quick collection.